This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, including the Happy Father's Day Art Gift Kit. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, as well as a wooden picture frame, a wooden sign, some paints, wooden accessories, some other accessories to add on, some glue, and a paintbrush. Beginning with the wooden sign, you're going to take a Sharpie and write whatever you'd like onto the sign. This is completely customizable. For us, we wrote Dad's Workshop. It is helpful to first write it out using a pencil so that if you make a mistake, it is easily erasable. Now it is time to begin painting. You will notice that there's black tape to create divisions and borders so that you won't get paint into the lines. Paint it whatever color you would like. Then you can add other little paintings on the side. This is completely customizable and make it exactly how you think your dad or grandpa or uncle would like. Then you can take off the tape and reveal the clean lines that it had created. Next, using some glue, you can add some of the bolts and other tools to accessorize. Now it is time to work on the picture frame. Using the little wooden rectangle, you can write whatever you'd like. For ours, we wrote, "Papa is our anchor." Set that aside, and now it is time to begin painting your picture frame. For ours, we decided to do a nautical theme. You can paint whatever you'd like on yours. We created waves in an ombre style, gradually getting darker towards the bottom, and added little red accents to it, including a little sailboat and some hearts. Always be sure to wash and dry your brush in between changing colors to avoid unwanted mixing. Paint your anchor. We've decided to paint ours red to match the accents on the frame. Also added a polka dot border around the wooden rectangle. Paint is dry. It is now time to add the accessories. Glue on your wooden pieces where you'd like them, and using the rope, rocks, and other things you have, create a border and accessorize it around your picture frame to give it a three-dimensional effect. Be sure to allow this to fully dry before moving it around. And now your gifts are complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas, and Happy Father's Day!